Serena Williams winning her 4th U.S. Open title in the world of tennis. So shout out to Serena Williams. There's a couple cool little things that took place. She beat Victoria Azarenka. Azarenka. Wow, so I got that pretty close. I'm impressed with myself.
Number 1, yeah, the number 1 seed.
Is she? Okay.
Yeah.
See, I don't know too much about tennis. Me and Eric were talking about this on the ride. We just felt like it was something that was...
Yeah, she was... I mean, it surprised me when I saw it too, but she was actually the number 1 seed in the U.S. Open, and Serena upset her, which doesn't surprise me because Serena's a beast.
Serena is a beast. Let's be serious. The Williams sister as a whole are a beast. But to prove you how...
They don't even like playing tennis either. They don't even like it. They'd rather do other things. They'd rather do their fashion line. They'd rather do...
They liked it when they were kids, like when they were younger.
But
now
then,
it's
it just became a business, and it became no fun, and they really don't even enjoy it that much, which is surprising
so sad when
to me.
you're that good.
But they're just so dominant.
Yeah,
they can't stop playing.
It's ridiculous. Well, to give you guys an idea of how amazing Serena Williams and the Williams sisters really are, well, we're just talking Serena Williams, so... With the win this past weekend, she became the first women's tennis player ever to cross the $40 million mark in earnings. With this U.S. Open singles title, and then she had a third-round loss in doubles with her sister. The two combined to put her over $40 million, and she's now made $40,090,142 just from playing tennis. Like I mentioned, she beat Victoria Azarenka, who's a 23-year-old from Belarus that won the Australian Open in January. The girl was 32-2, a 941 winning percentage on hard courts this year. She also hadn't dropped 3 sets in a row all year until Sunday's match, going 12-0, including victories over U.S. Open champion Sam Stosur in the quarterfinals, and in the 2006 champion Maria Sharapova in the semifinals of this past tournament. Now, Williams was 2 points away from losing. That was it. I thought that was impressive. I was surprised. But she apparently regained her composure, got back into things, and came back to win the last 4 games, 6-2, 2-6, 7-5. Now, I don't follow tennis that much, but over $40 million just from playing a game, that's pretty ridiculous. Let's keep it real.
Yeah.
So I don't know if there's anything you want to throw in on this.
Even if you don't follow the sport, you know who Serena Williams is.
Oh, yeah, I'd hope so. I mean, let's be honest here. She was she's just a well-known name. Wait, you got it. Oh, yep, there we go. All right. Anyway, so anything else you want to mention about Serena Williams? Because we really want to just give her a shout-out and congratulations. But
yeah, no, that's about all I got on her. She's just a beast.
She is a beast. Congratulations. For over $40 million playing tennis over her career. That's just ridiculously impressive.
As Pixel Junkie points out, $1.9 million just for winning yesterday.
That's insane. And on top of that, like we said, 4th U.S. Open title, and this is actually her 15th Grand Slam title for her career. So, a.k.a., she's a beast. Her sister's a beast. And I wouldn't be surprised if they're near retirement, I mean, at this point. But